Welcome to English Mastery Voyage channel.
Ella's family picnic. One sunny Saturday, Ella's family decided to go on a picnic. Ella was very excited. Her mom packed a big basket with sandwiches, fruits, and juice. Her dad brought a blanket, and her little brother Timmy brought his favorite ball. They drove to a beautiful park with a big green field and many trees. Ella's dad found a nice spot under a shady tree, and they spread out the blanket. Ella helped her mom unpack the food. The sandwiches looked delicious, and the fruits were fresh. After they ate, Ella and Timmy played with the ball. They ran around and laughed. Ella's mom and dad watched them and smiled. Bay Park was full of happy families and the weather was perfect. Later, they decided to take a walk around the park. They saw ducks swimming in a pond and colorful flowers blooming everywhere. Ella's dad took some pictures with his camera to remember the fun day as the sun began to set. Ella's family packed up their things and got ready to go home. Ella felt very happy and thanked her parents for the wonderful day. "I had so much fun. Can we go on a picnic again?" she asked. "Course, Ella," her mom said with a smile. "We'll plan another picnic soon." On the way home, Ella felt tired, but very happy. She knew that spending time with her family was the best part of the day. The Kind Nurse. In a small town, there was a hospital where a kind nurse named Anna worked. Anna loved her job and always took great care of her patients. She had a warm smile that made everyone feel better. One day, a little boy named Timmy came to the hospital. He had a bad fever and felt very sick. Timmy was scared and didn't want to stay in the hospital. His mom tried to comfort him, but Timmy was still afraid. Anna saw Timmy and walked over to him. "Hello, Timmy. My name is Anna. I'm here to help." "You feel better," she said with a gentle voice. Anna gave Timmy a soft toy to hold and showed him how to take deep breaths to feel calmer. Timmy started to feel a little better. Anna took his temperature and gave him some medicine. She stayed by his side and told him funny stories to make him laugh. Timmy smiled and felt more comfortable. Every day, Anna checked on Timmy and made sure he had everything he needed. She brought him books to read and games to play. Timmy started to feel better and stronger. One day, the doctor told Timmy that he was well enough to go home. Timmy was very happy, but also a little sad to leave Anna. "Thank you for taking care of me, Nurse Anna," Timmy said. Anna smiled and hugged Timmy. "You are very brave, Timmy. I'm glad I could help you," she said. Timmy left the hospital with a big smile on his face, feeling grateful for the kind nurse who made him feel better. Lily learns to sing. Lily was a little girl who loved music. She enjoyed listening to songs and dreamed of becoming a singer one day. One day, her school announced a singing contest. Lily was excited, but also nervous. She had never sung in front of many people before. Lily's mom noticed her interest and said, "Why don't you join the singing contest, Lily? I can help you practice." Lily smiled and agreed. Every day after school, Lily and her mom practiced singing together. Her mom taught her how to breathe properly and sing with confidence. They chose Lily's favorite song to practice. At first, Lily felt shy and made mistakes. But her mom encouraged her, saying, "Don't worry, Lily. Just keep practicing. You will get better." Day by day, Lily's singing improved. She started to feel more confident. She practiced in front of her family, and they all cheered for her. Finally, the day of the singing contest arrived. Lily stood on the stage, feeling a little nervous. She took a deep breath and remembered her mom's words. "Oh, God." Then she began to sing. Her voice was clear and beautiful. The audience listened carefully, and when she finished, they clapped loudly. Lily felt so happy and proud. She knew she had done her best. After the contest, Lily's mom hugged her and said, "You were amazing, Lily. I'm so proud of you." Lily smiled and said, "Thank you, Mom. I couldn't have done it without your help." From that day on, Lily continued to practice singing and followed her dream. She knew that with hard work and support, she could achieve anything. Mr. Joe's Fall. In a small village, there was an old man named Mr. Joe. Mr. Joe loved to walk around the village and greet everyone with a big smile. He was very friendly and enjoyed talking to people. One sunny afternoon, Mr. Joe decided to take a walk to the park. He enjoyed the fresh air and the sound of birds singing. As he walked, he saw some children playing with a ball. He waved at them and continued his walk. Suddenly, Mr. Joe tripped over a small rock on the path. He lost his balance and fell to the ground. Mr. Joe felt a sharp pain in his leg and couldn't stand up. He was scared and didn't know what to do. A young boy named Timmy saw what happened and ran to help. "Are you okay, Mr. Joe?" Timmy asked with concern. Mr. Joe smiled weakly and said, "I think I hurt my leg, Timmy. Can you please help me?" Timmy nodded and quickly called for his dad. Timmy's dad came running and carefully helped Mr. Joe to sit up. "Let's take you to the doctor," Timmy's dad said kindly. At the clinic, the doctor examined Mr. Joe's leg and said, "You have a small sprain, but you will be fine with some rest and care." Mr. Joe was relieved. He thanked Timmy and his dad for their help. "You are very kind." "I am grateful for your help," Mr. Joe said. Timmy smiled and said, "We are happy to help, Mr. Joe." From that day on, Mr. Joe was more careful when walking. He always remembered the kindness of Timmy and his dad, and he felt lucky to have such caring neighbors. A thief in Alex's house. Alex was a young boy who lived with his family in a cozy house. One night, while everyone was asleep, a thief sneaked into their house. The thief was looking for valuable things to steal. Alex woke up because he heard a strange noise. He felt scared, but decided to check what was happening. He quietly walked to the living room and saw the thief searching through their belongings. Alex quickly went back to his room and called his dad. "Dad, there's a thief in the house," he whispered. His dad woke up and immediately called the police. The police arrived quickly and caught the thief. They took him away and made sure Alex and his family were safe. The next morning, the police officer came back to talk to Alex and his family. "You did the right thing by calling for help," the officer said. "You were very brave, Alex." Alex felt proud and relieved. His family thanked the police for their help. They also decided to install an alarm system to keep their home safe in the future.